Hi everyone, so one way that I recycle old plugs is I turn them into new ones. So I have these double flare internally threaded tunnels that are in my current size, and then I had these skull plugs in my previous size and they were like screw front ones. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to attach them to these tunnels to make new plugs, because I really like the design of this skull with the rose in its mouth, and I don't want to waste them. This is also a good way of wearing some of the pretty picture plugs without having to wear acrylic all the while, because obviously acrylic's not the best material for your ears. I prefer to wear stone or glass or the stainless steel. So what I'm doing here is just putting a bit of blue tack on the front just to hold the little plug front in place, like so, and you want it nice and level. And then as you can see, the tunnels fit perfectly over it, and the front of the little piece of plastic is level with the front of my tunnels. And then all I've got to do is put a couple of drops of UV resin in. This will glue it in place, and also I can set it really quick. Just make sure you don't put, if you're using like internally threaded ones like me, don't put resin on where the screw threads are. So it's like two little blobs of resin to fill up the gaps around the inside without reaching the line where the screw thread is. And then it's just a case of holding my UV torch over the resin for a minute or two, just to make sure it's set. Because it's a small amount of resin, it does set quite quickly, which is also the advantage, because I am literally just setting 2 drops of the resin, so it sets within about a minute. So I'm just holding the UV light over the top. It will heat up a little bit, so the plugs will get warm, but they won't get like to the point where it'll hurt you or anything. But just let them cool down before you put them in your ears, obviously. And you want to make sure there's no resin on the outside of the steel plug, none where it's going to come into contact with your ear or irritate your ear or anything. And then I'm just tapping with my tweezers to make sure that's set. And then I'm on to the next one. So I just need to hold it nice and straight. And as you can see, I'm adding my couple of drops of resin. And at first it domes up on the top, but then it'll start to sink down the sides where there's any gaps behind the plug front. And then again, setting that with the resin. So I'm just holding that until I'm sure it's fully solid. You can also do this with single flare steel tunnels as well. It's just a good way of reusing some old tunnels and plugs, because that way you don't waste, because obviously if you've been at the old size for ages, you might have built up quite a collection of plugs, and obviously it's a lot of money to waste if you're not going to ever wear them again. So it's always a good idea to try and recycle them if you can. And these screw front acrylic plugs are ideal, because you can take this little front piece off and using resin glue it to a steel tunnel to create new earrings. So that's one advantage of these. And again, just tapping with my tweezers to make sure it's solid, and then just gently lift them off the blue tack that's holding them in place. And I'm on a piece of glass here, so then if there's any resin leakage, it's not going to damage my table. And as you can see, that's it. So I now have a new pair of plugs. I can now wear these skull and rose plugs, but in my current size instead of my previous size. So yeah. And then what I'm going to do next in a sec is try them on. First of all, just double check that you haven't gone over the screw area. As you can see, I haven't, because I can still screw the backs on fully. That's where you've got to be very careful, especially if you're using internally threaded ones like these. And as you can see, they're nice and flush with the front of the tunnel, and they work as a new pair of earrings. And then if you look inside, that's where the resin is at the back that holds the front on. And they're nice and solid, nice and secure, they're not going to come off. And they look like this once you put them in your ears. I've got the backs on, as you can see. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.